Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 XLT in Oxford white with black sport cloth interior, seating for 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. It's also a 4x4, and it has an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, a trailer tow package, and it also has navigation. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out for a test drive. And just so you know, this vehicle has been upgraded with a tonneau cover, leveling kit, as well as KO2 BF Goodrich tires. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, grab handle in the body, and your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, we're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu that you can toggle through. And it'll come up momentarily for us. There we go. So we start at the top, display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center you have a little cubby to put things, as well as your hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. And on our screen we can touch for different options, such as our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You also have navigation, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you see your backup camera view, and there you go. As well, you have your settings, and you can slide through there for different options like Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and so on. Below is your volume and tuner, and there's your CD player, and you have your climate control with heated seats for passenger and driver, as well as front and rear defrost and AC and max AC. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. Down in the cubby, a couple of USB outlets. When you want to close that, just push. You have an automatic select shifter, and you have drive mode. When you press this, you'll see it appear on the dash. Normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. You also have a couple of cup holders, and your armrest opens up. There's a bin in here, you can take this out. Down below, lots of room, and a 12 volt as well. Off to the side, another 12 volt and a 110 outlet. You also have a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and this slides that power back window, and you also have a moonroof, so you can press on this and it'll slide it right open for you. BF Goodrich KO2 tires and 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, magnetic colored running board, body colored door handle, and keyless entry keypad. Driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is just below that handle, and your backup sensors are on your bumper. You also have a 4- and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you want to open up the tailgate, simply pull on the latch, and you've got this nice tonneau cover. It's a line box with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link, and you also have a tailgate step. And when you're ready, you can close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob you have remote start and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. To bring it back down, simply pull the clip, and at the base there's anchors to be able to tether baby seats, and you're seeing that unique sport cloth tread design on the seats. On the floor, all-weather mat from one end to the other, and you also have extra carpeted mats. Slim pocket on the back of the front seat for extra storage, and in the center a couple of cup holders, as well as a 12 volt, 110, and USB outlets, and your air vents. There's grab handles in the body, hooks and lighting, as well as that panoramic view, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Bumper, mud flaps, tonneau cover, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.